In this session, we take a look at some script code to see how to broadcast messages between game components. Привет, and welcome to another awesome session. Broadcast messaging is an important concept in game development. It allows you to send messages between components via some sort of messaging queue. So how do we do it? Let's take a look. For example, let's say we wanted to send a message between the player component here and a UI component. How do we accomplish that? Let's take the example of the player's health changing. We'll want to broadcast a message indicating that the player's health has changed. On the receiving end, we want some component to listen for those players' health changes and then perform some action. Maybe in this case, you want to update the PlayCanvas UI. How do we get messages from this player component to the UI component? Well, fortunately, we have a very good example of how to do that. Remember, the player is using the player health script, right? Let's take a closer look at this script. Check out this line 25. It reads, this.app.fire, player:health, hit points. This means fire off a message on the PlayCanvas application object named player:health with the hit points value. Effectively, this is the way to broadcast a message to all components in the PlayCanvas game engine. Then we need a component to receive that message and then do something with it like update the UI. Fortunately, the UI component has a script that does this for us so we can take a look. Click UI and edit the UI controller script attached to the component. The important code here is in the initialize block of the script. Notice line 29 reads this.app.on player:health, this.handle player health, this. This line forces the script to listen for the messages named player:health and then process those messages using the handle player health function. We can see the function right here, which basically takes the hit points value and then updates the text element widget holding the player's health value. Easy peasy, and that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed this session, and we'll see you next time. Booyah! I hope you found these videos useful. Want to keep watching videos like these? Hit that subscribe and like button below so I can make you more for free. Booyah!